Hi, I'm Densil Indrajit Pereira. I started my career as an intern in the insurance industry. When I was undergraduate at the University of Sri Jawadhanapura, I was reading for my BSc special degree in marketing. And no sooner I completed my degree, I was assigned with the task of handling the largest brand, motor insurance brand in the country. So then after that, I joined Hemas Consumer Brands because I wanted to get experience and exposure in the FMCG sector. There I got the opportunity to launch Kumarika in the regional markets, especially Bangladesh. After completing my tenure at Hemas Consumer, I got the opportunity to come back to insurance industry as a category manager, where I was handling general insurance category at the Union Assurance PLC. That was around about the time that I started my MBA. I was reading for the general MBA at PIM. Upon the completion of my MBA, I wanted to try a bigger challenge, better and bigger exposure. So I changed the industry and I joined back in the FMCG sector, food sector, where I joined Marina Foods, and I've come up to the level of general manager over the last 16 years in my career. As I believe, reading for an MBA is not about getting qualification. It's about experiencing. It's about going through a mill which can change yourself to become much more than who you are and what you are. So at PIM, definitely you get this edge with the network that you get exposed to, and also the quality of education that you get. At the same time, the concepts that you learn, which should allow you to practically apply them in different contexts. So I think what I should mention about the PIM MBA is that I could go through that mill and I could definitely see an increase in my capacity. I started doing many things within the same time span that I had in my hand, and I could make use of that opportunity to accept more responsibilities. So at the age of 33, I was heading a group of 150 people and making a brand, and also driving the top line and the bottom line to double it within 1 year. And I think that was the confidence, courage, all that I got from MBA at PIM. Well, I was a part of the PIM alumni from 2015-16 because soon after completing my MBA in 2009-10, I could not be involved with PIM much because there was a time gap. We got busy with our work, and then I came back to be a part of PIM alumni activities. During this time, I got involved myself with organizing certain key events. And in 2017, I again joined the committee, and again I took a break, and then I came back in 2018 as secretary of PIM MBA alumni, where I could bring in certain tangible, visible changes to the way that we did things. One of the key things that I would like to highlight is, during this time we could expand the communication role, and we could basically formalize some of the things that we wanted to formalize, and more than anything else, to make PIM office more operational and also put it under 5S system, which was a part of the PIM premise. So, and then after that, in the next year, under the presidency of Jailal, I was the vice president, but I was basically handling 4 events as the event chair. One of the key events that we did was the CEO Forum. It was a very real tough time for us because it was the time we had the East attack and no much of sponsors to be found. Everyone was reluctant to be a part of anything, but we had one of the best events, and we got the participation of all our alumni. 200 CEOs took part in that, the industry forum, and then we also started Professor Liyanage Memorial Oration, and also certain other events. So I think it was a very eventful year. So my contribution also would go into the areas of starting up new collaborations with certain parties to add value to PIM alumni. And this year, as the president, as you know, we are facing unprecedented conditions throughout the world. The COVID pandemic is with us. So we are focusing more on creating value for our membership, increasing the networking abilities among us, whereby we have launched certain new initiatives, for example, PIMA Connect, PIMA Portal, etc., and also strengthening the loyalty scheme for PIMA membership card. So we want to basically make our members feel special, and we want to make our members feel connected. I think that's one of the key value drivers that we are working on right now. So I think in time to come you will see the benefits and the effects of those. PIM Alumni is the largest and the most strongest alumni community in the country, and we have 16 able committee members in this team with the guidance of past presidents and also the PIM director and professors. We are actually creating a lot of value to our members, and that's one of the main areas that we are working in this year. For the fellow PIMA members, my message is that you need to get connected with PIM Alumni. This is the biggest and the most powerful network of 5,000 people, professionals, which consist of CEOs and beyond. So we are boasting of about 350 CEOs and directors and chairmen, and we are also in the species of, for example, private sector and public sector both. Not only that, we have entrepreneurs, we have academia, so it's a wide network that we are talking of, and we would like everyone to be connected with this network and get the benefit out of it. And for the future MBA, aspirant MBAs, future MBA students of PIM, we call them learning partners, because at PIM, doing an MBA is not about doing an MBA, it's about be an MBA. And now we say it's about being extraordinary or being brilliant as an MBA. So therefore, how you become brilliant, how you become extraordinary, how you get the best out of you, and how you become more agile is all about doing an MBA at PIM. So in that sense, I would like to invite the future MBA aspirants and the future MBA students to join hands with PIM without any fear, because we recommend it, we got the strength, we became what we are today because of PIM, and we would like to invite, we would like to tell them, look, you may have the ability, but you may not have the agility, and PIM would give you that. And you have the ability and agility both, but you will not have the right attitude, and PIM would give you that as well. So I think combination of those would definitely make you feel more confident, more empowered, and also you would definitely be contributing towards the building of the future and the economy of this country. And that's one of the key messages that we would like to bring up to you.